Good morning to one and all. In this video lecture, we are going to discuss about the concept called programmable read-only memory. So we discussed in the last video programmable read-only memory. It is fixed end array. We can call that as a decoder, and we can have a programmable OR array. Let us have an example regarding to how to design a PROM. So here my question is designing of a full adder by using a PROM concept. So full adder, already we are familiar with this in the combinational logic circuit design. So here we have three inputs A, B, C in and my sum and carry. So in order to get the expression for sum, so let us have sum is equal to, you will have one expression and you will have carry is equal to one more expression. So carry is equal to. So in some expression, if you observe sigma m of where you are getting 1 comma and 2 comma and 4 comma 7, and in the similar way this is small m, and in the similar way sigma m of for carry also we are getting our results 3 5 6 7, 3 5 6 comma 7. So this is what the expression for sum and carry. So here I am showing sigma m of and sigma m of. Okay, so by using these expressions we can have the design of the particular PROM concept. So let us have the first one is decoder. So if you observe how many inputs are there, three inputs are there. So when you are having three inputs means you need to consider 3 is to 8 decoder. So this is my 3 is to 8 decoder. This is my 3 is to 8 decoder. We can call this as a fixed end array also. Okay, now here you can observe my inputs are three. So my first input A, B and C in, and there are how many outputs? Eight outputs. So first output, second output and third output and fourth output and sixth and seven. So let us have the numbering. So we'll have the numbering 0, so is 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, and along with it you will have 6 and 7 also, 6 and 7. Now so my inputs are A and B and C in, these are my three inputs. Now let us have a look here. My output sum, this is a summation of 1 2 4 7. So I need to have one OR gate and I need to have one OR gate here. So just I am representing one OR gate at an output. So my another OR gate, this is F2, this is F1. Now so there are two methodologies to represent this fixed, as we shown here. This is my 3 to 8 decoder, this is my fixed end array. So fixed end array means we are not doing any reprogrammable. So but here this is programmable, we can do the programmable. So there are two methods. First I am explaining the first method. So directly I can connect to all the lines, and there I need to represent one. I would like to have a symbol here into mark. So 1 and 2 into mark, and 4 is having 1 into mark, and 7 is having 1 into mark. It means that these are nothing but fuses. So I can connect my fuse here, then only the first pin is connected to this particular OR gate. So then only second pin and fourth pin and seventh pin, like. So this is what called here I am keeping an into mark. It means that this is my programmable. So I can change this programmable from this line to this line and this line to that line. So I can change. Therefore this is called programmable. And for carry also I can have representation for 3 and 5 and 6 and 7. So this is what one way of representation. So here in this you can observe that this is my fixed end array and this is my programmable OR array. This is my programmable OR array. I will show the another way of representation also. So here you can observe the same representation. So here I represented with this fixed AND gate and programmable OR gate. The same representation can be done in another method, as I said now. So now connect all the lines. Now I am showing you. So connect all the lines like this. Like this, and in the similar way for this also connect all the lines to an upturn to a mark, and now in the similar way 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 like this. Now where I need to connect actually, so at 1247 is my F1. So in order to get my sum as my output F1 1, so this is my 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 and 7th pin like this. So this is 0th pin and 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 like this. So it will start from 0. Now as I said here 1247, so the first pin, so this is my first pin I connected here. The first pin is connected with a fuse like this. So like this a symbol will be there. So one is connected to the particular OR gate. Okay, and in the similar way 2 is connected to the next fuse, and then 4 is connected to the next fuse, 4 is connected to the next fuse, and then 7 is connected to the next fuse. So the remaining fuses will be open. In the similar way 3 5 6 7, so sixth pin and fifth pin and third pin and this pin. So these pins only will be connected for the in order to get the carry as output. So I can consider F1 and F2, sum as F1 and carry as F2. So like this also you can represent. And one more thing, instead of this particular having fixed end array, instead of we can have a decoder, so you can represent in this manner also. So just to keep consideration of A and A bar and B and B bar, like that you will have AND gates. So these AND gates are connected to this and connected to this, and like that A bar A B bar, like you will can connect. So this is what called, this is fixed. So fixed means you will have a into mark here, so not into dot will be there. So this is what fixed. So when you have a cross mark is called programmable. So this is what here you can this is one of the method to represent the fixed also. And for this fixed you need to connect your programmable OR. So the programmable OR is connected here. So the programmable OR is connected here. So this is what the concept called here, fixed end array and programmable OR array. So this is one method to represent answer, and this one method represent the answer, and this is also one method to represent answer. In the next video lecture I will tell you one more example. Okay, and one more thing, this is a concept from the ROM concept. So ROM can be given as 2 power k into m. So 2 power k into m or 2 power n into m. So basically ROM can be defined like this. So 2 power n into m. So based on the ROM concept only we have designed this PROM, and then we have different types EEPROM, EEPROM. So EEPROM is electrically programmable read-only memory. EEPROM is electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. Like we have different types, but we need to discuss the PROM concept here. Okay, this is a basic phenomenon structure of the programmable read-only memory, fixed end and programmable OR. So these are the three methods we can represent the programmable read-only memory. Okay, thank you.